Welcome to our channel Bright Maths. Let us learn about the semi-elliptical bridges. Semi-ellipse means half of the ellipse. Let us see the pictures. This is a bridge. Here this arch is in the form of semi-ellipse, that is half of the ellipse. See the next picture. In this bridge, this arch is in the form of semi-ellipse, that is half of the ellipse. And here this is the roadway. See the next picture. In this bridge, this arch is in the form of semi-ellipse. Here we can observe that there is a shadow down. So if you take this full shape, this is an elliptical shape. The bridge is constructed by taking half ellipse only. So this is semi-elliptical bridge. So in problems they will mention whether it is an ellipse or parabola. If it is an elliptical bridge, then we have to find A and B, that is horizontal distance and vertical distance. After that, mark the point on the ellipse. Just substitute the point, we can get the answer. Now let us see the problems. A semi-elliptical archway over a one-way road has a height of 3 meters and a width of 12 meters. The truck has a width of 3 meters and a height of 2.7 meters. Will the truck clear the opening of the archway? Here it is given that it is a semi-elliptical archway. So therefore we have to draw semi-ellipse, that is half ellipse. So we take the half ellipse shape like this, and then we have to draw x-axis and y-axis, and this origin we take it as center, and it is given that the height is 3 meters. So this height is 3 and the width is 12 meters. So this width is 12 meters. Therefore we can mark these two vertices, that is A dash. Since the width is 12, right side we have 6 distance and also left side we have 6 distance. When we mark it as coordinates, we have to mark like this 6, 0 and negative side minus 6, 0. Now see the question. There is a truck which is 3 meter width and 2.7 meter height. The truck has to clear the opening. So there is a truck. The truck width is 3 meter. So from the center, right side, take 1.5. The truck width is 3 meter. Take half, that is 1.5. Now we have to find the height. Let the height be y1. So we have to find y1. The truck height is 2.7 meter. So after finding y1, if it is more than 2.7, then we can say that the truck can clear the opening. Because when the truck enters the opening, the height should be more than 2.7. Then only it can go. Now this point is 1.5, y1. The horizontal distance is 1.5 and the vertical distance is y1. Take the midpoint of the width as the center C. Since the width is 12 meter, the vertices are A dash, that is 6, 0 minus 6, 0. From the diagram, A equal to 6 and B equal to 3. So in ellipse we have to find A and B. A value is from the center capital A distance. So see this point 6, 0, that means this distance is 6. So A equal to 6. B is this vertical distance. So B value 3. Because the length of the ellipse is 2A. So half length is A. Breadth of the ellipse is 2B. So half breadth is 3. Now we know the equation of ellipse, that is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Here a value 6, so we write x square by 6 square plus y square by b square, b value 3, so we write 3 square equal to 1. Now the point 1.5 comma y1 lies on the ellipse. Therefore we can substitute this point. Here x value is 1.5. So 1.5 square divided by 6 square plus y is y1. y1 square divided by 3 square equal to 1. And this term take right side. So we get negative sign. 1.5 square is 2.25 divided by 6 squared is 36. Now right side take 36 LCM, that is 36 minus 2.25 is 33.75. Now taking square root both sides, we get y1 divided by 3 equal to 5.8 divided by 6. So this is an easy calculation. Taking square root both sides. So left side we can cancel the square. So we get y1 by 3 equal to right side root of 33.75 is 5.8 and root 36 is 6. Now we can cancel 3 and 6 2 times. This implies y1 equal to 2.9 meter. So 5.8 divided by 2 is 2.9. So this y1 height is 2.9 and we are given the height of the truck is 2.7. So this arch height is more than the truck height. Therefore, we can say that the truck will clear the archway. Next problem. An arch is in the form of a semi-ellipse whose span is 48 feet wide. The height of the arch is 20 feet. How wide is the arch at a height of 10 feet above the base? Here also it is given that semi-ellipse. So the arch is in the form of semi-ellipse. So we have to draw half ellipse shape like this and take x-axis and y-axis. And this is the center and it is given that the span is 48 feet. So this horizontal distance is 48. Take half of that 24. So right side we have 24 distance. Left side also we have 24 distance. When we mark it as point, we mark it as 24, 0 and negative side minus 24, 0. And it is given that the height is 20 feet. So this height is 20. We have to find how wide is the arch at a height of 10 feet above the base. So take 10 feet height. We have to find how wide. That means this horizontal distance. Let us take this distance as x1. And therefore this PQ is 2x1. Because same distance we have other side also. So finally we have to find this horizontal distance PQ. This point is x1, 10 because the horizontal distance is x1 and the vertical distance is 10. So take the midpoint of the base as the center C. Since the base is 48 feet, the vertices are 24, 0 and minus 24, 0. Here from the diagram, we know that the A value is 24 and the B value is 20. So from the center, this horizontal distance of the semi-ellipse is 24, and from the center the height of the semi-ellipse is 20. So A equal to 24 and B equal to 20. And we know the equation of the ellipse, that is x square by A square. Here A value 24, so 24 square plus y square by B square. Here B value is 20, so 20 square equal to 1. Let 2x1 be the distance of the arch at a height of 10 feet above the base. PQ length is 2x1. From the center, the right side distance is x1. Same distance we have other side also. Therefore, the full length of PQ is 2x1. So finally, we have to find 2x1. This point x1, 10 lies on the ellipse. So substitute this point in this equation. Here x is x1. So x1 square divided by 24 square plus y value 10. 10 square divided by 20 square equal to 1. This 10 square by 20 square take right side, we get minus. Here itself we can cancel this 0 and 0. So we get 1 squared 1, 2 squared 4. That is 1 by 4. Now take LCM 4. We get 4 minus 1 is 3 by 4. See that left side I am having square. So next step I am going to take the square root. So this is an easy step. Taking square root both sides. Left side we can cancel square. So we get x1 by 24. Right side we have to take the root. So for this 3 take root 3 and 4 taking root we get 2. So both sides we have to take square root. So we get x1 by 24 equal to root 3 by 2. And see that we have to find 2x1. So already we mentioned that we have to find 2x1. Just cross multiply this, we can get 2x1. So this 2 cross multiply left side, we get 2x1 equal to 24 root 3 feet. And this is the answer. Thanks for watching.